Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
All Goa Oriya Association and Jagannath Temple Trust Goa, in association with ISKCON, celebrated Shri Jagannath Rath Yatra on Thursday in Panjim. This is the fourth consecutive year that the association is hosting this yatra. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar performed the initial rituals and puja.
क्या है कि हर आदमी का पास में जगन्नाथ पहुंच सकते हैं, ऐसे नहीं है तो जगन्नाथ का पास में हर आदमी पहुंच सकते हैं। मंदिर में सब लोग जाते हैं, मगर ये जगन्नाथ जो है ये बाहर आता है इनका भक्त से मिलने के लिए। ये एक बहुत बड़ा परंपरा है। आज हम लोग यहाँ पर गोवा में पालन करता हूँ। 4 साल हो गया है, शायद 5 साल, फोर्थ ईयर हुआ है।
As part of Rahul Gandhi's birthday celebrations, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee distributed gifts and stationery to orphan children in Mapsa. They visited Emmaus Counseling Center and El Shade House of Kathleen.
एकदम अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करना, एकदम अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करना और बहुत बड़े बनना.
Similar kind of program was held in Madgaon. Members of the Congress party celebrated Rahul Gandhi's birthday with the aged people in Provideria in Madgaon.
हो दीस आमी चितले की आमी एल्डरली आमचे जी जाणटेली आसा तांचे बरोबर सासरो करचो म्हणून आनी आमी हो बर्थडे राहुलजीचो वी डिड नॉट फायंड एनी अदर दिस थिंग देन दीस सेलिब्रेटिंग विथ द एल्डर्स बिकॉज तुमी राहुलजीक पळयला आसतलो ताका गरिबांची आनी जाणट्यांची कड येता. ही इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ एल्डरली पीपल एंड दॅट इज द रिजन वी सेड लायक नो मॅटर वॉट वी विल कम टू दीस प्रोवेदेरिया या लारांत येवचे आनी आमचे वडील जे आसा तांचे बरोबर हो बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करचो म्हणून.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. It seems like the season of Sports Association cleanups. Sandeep Heble, under the banner of Panjim Table Tennis Club, has pulled up the Goa Table Tennis Association for irregularities in its election process and appointment of office bearers. According to a central civil service rule, no government official can hold a position for over 4 years or without prior permission from the department in any sports association. But Heble has accused TT Association of having vice president and treasurer for violating that particular rule. Meanwhile, long-standing GTTA president Vero Nunes has refuted all allegations and says the association is functioning cleanly.
Table Tennis Association is also functioning in a very disorganized manner. You may be aware that Vero Nunes is the president for the last more than 25 years at least, and never has he given copies of the minutes to the clubs at all. Copies of the constitution have also never been given to the clubs, despite repeated requests. Even the elections have been done in a very sham manner within themselves. They themselves are they themselves are appointed as the presiding officers. They themselves select the others. So the elections are a big sham. But even otherwise, they have 2 government servants who will come under the CCS rules. They are there for last more than 15 years. Then there are other issues also, like they have not been holding annual general meetings. They are supposed to, it is mandatory under Societies Registration Act to hold one annual meeting every year. Now in the last 5 years they have held only one meeting. Okay. Now Mr. Vero Nunes in a press statement had said that everything is fine with the association and there are no irregularities. Because of that we have applied under RTI Act various queries, and SEG has issued them a notice asking them to respond to all these queries, and within a few days they will be forced to give us replies.
Vero Nunes has ridiculed the credentials of Sandeep Heble in table tennis and claims Sandeep has organized tournaments in a haphazard manner in the past.
In the year 2000, the TTFI told us that we all have to be in line with the term of TTFI and the Olympic Association, which was for 4 years. The constitution was amended for 4 years. Till date, the elections have been unanimous. There has been nobody who has challenged anybody vis-a-vis the election. Last 20 years, people have faith in all the office bearers of the association. And it's nice to tell you that all the members of the association, most of the members are all Goa number ones. Vishnu Kolvalkar, Goa number 1. Subhash Pandit, Goa number 1. I have been Goa number 1. And this guy who comes suddenly out of the blue says, Subhash Pandit and Vishnu Kolvalkar should be banned from the association because they are working in the government. From where this rule he gets, I don't know. We are trying, all the sports fraternity in India are trying to get sports people involved in the administration. And this guy says, no, they should be out. They get government posts because they are sportsmen basically.
Office bearer, or if a president of an association remains for a long period of time, it can hamper the sport?
It can hamper. It definitely can hamper if the president or the office bearers don't work at all. I have myself offered to get out from the position so many times. I said, I'm too long here, new people come, take it over. And they've been telling, well, no, it will go to dogs, the association, if you get out from this association. Even a journalist have told me.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalists Omkar Fulari and Sushant Pearl from Panji.
Don't worry if you have missed this news bulletin. You can log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.